As we all know that flaxseed, whether in what form, it has a whole benefits. The nutritional benefit that we can get in consuming flaxseed has been already proven to help treat and prevent many diseases. Although flaxseed is known because of its omega-3 and fiber, it has also lots of protein. Flaxseed has a perfect source of protein. That means it contains every amino acid that your body cannot make on its own. It is difficult to find a plant-based food that has a complete source of protein, so flaxseed makes a great addition to vegetarian diets. Serving a 1 tablespoon of flaxseed contains 1.6 grams of protein. A ground or milk contains 22% of protein. So what are those different kinds of amino acids? According to some experts, amino acids are molecules containing an amine group. They are building blocks of protein. They get together to form peptides or polypeptides. There are 20 different types of amino acid that a complete protein can have, but there are only certain amino acids that have been widely known, and about almost 10 out of 20. That is why when you don't consume the 10 known amino acid, it will result to protein degradation. The amino acids are glutamine, tryptophan, valine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, and threonine. The protein in flaxseed is easily digested and contains all the amino acids needed for building a strong body. This is also the reason why most people who want to lose weight and bodybuilders include eating of flaxseed as one of their weight loss diet program. For more information about flaxseed, you can visit the website at flaxseedbenefit.com right now.